Hello guys, welcome back to the Dream and Create channel. So in today's video we're doing some DIYs that I've been wanting to try for a long time. I've been seeing a lot of the vases painted with baking soda and I wanted to give it a try, and I also wanted to try some other home decor DIYs or trends that are going on right now. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like this video, I do make a lot of random videos. I make DIYs, I make fashion, reviews, blogs, pretty much anything that comes to my head. So I'm pretty sure that you will find something that you will like. So please consider subscribing down below. And for those of you who are subscribed, please hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload, as well as comment and like this video after you finish watching it. Also, don't forget to comment down below which one was your favorite DIY from this video. And without further ado, let's go right into the video. Okay guys, so for the first DIY, I'm gonna try to recreate the Primerose mirror from Anthropologie. As you can see here, it's really expensive. It's almost $500 for the smaller one, and the bigger ones are way more expensive. The main thing is that they're very ornamental, very vintage style, very Parisian style. I saw that they sell them in thrift stores, Goodwills, so if you want to recreate this DIY, you can. All you have to do is look for an ornamental mirror. It doesn't have to be gold. Obviously, we're gonna DIY it. This is how the mirror looked before. So for this DIY, the materials that you will need are gonna be spray paint or any kind of paint that you want to use, rub and buff, some brushes. Then you will also need something to cover the floor or the space where you're working, so that way the spray paint doesn't get everywhere. Last thing that you will need is sanding paper. And the first thing that I did was to clean the mirror. It was a little bit dusty because it was saved away and they were not using it, so I cleaned it up, and I had help from my little niece, which she was like there at my mom's house where I did this in the backyard. And she was like, oh, let me help you clean it, and then I let her clean it and help me a little bit. Then the other step is to cover the mirror part with some tape and the craft paper, so that way the paint doesn't go on the actual mirror. So this took me a while, but I think it's very important because after you paint it, that way you don't have to clean up the mirror for mistake or anything like that. The next step will be to sand it down, so that way the paint adheres better. I think I overdid it because it ended up with some marks, but at least the paint adhered really well. And yeah, this is the next step. After you sand it down, clean it again, so that way you get rid of all that dust. And then is the fun part where you start spray painting. It's better to take it slow and do different layers instead of doing it all at once, because then it's gonna get runny and it's not gonna look good. The last thing that I did was to use the gold leaf, rub and buff. First I was doing it with a rag, which you can do too, and it works, but I prefer to do it with my finger. So I just did this to make it look more like a metal and give it more texture. It looks really beautiful and very similar in style to the original Anthropologie mirrors, and I really love how it turned out. Okay guys, so for the next DIY, I've been trying to recreate these beautiful candles, twisted candles that I've been seeing all over Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram. I've been seeing it everywhere and they're so beautiful, and I wanted to give it a try. Okay guys, so to make these candles, what I have seen is that they get warm water. I already have it here. I put it in this base I already had. And then you will need something to like roll them. I don't have a roller pin and I forgot to get one, so I'm gonna use this pin because this is what I have, and you have to be creative. And then I got a bunch of candles. Let's put them all inside. Also put the red ones. Oh shit. Yep. Wait. Bad idea, bad idea, bad idea, bad idea. You see, this is my first time trying this. Like, I swear I haven't tried it before. I've been dying to, but I wanted to make a video. So you basically put them in the warm water, and then you wait 15 minutes, and once the 15 minutes passes, you have to roll them and then make whatever shape you want. We just wait 15 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so after 15 minutes have passed, I'm gonna take the first one, do a red one. Hopefully this works, and we're gonna roll it. Oh shit. I don't think this is working, but maybe I needed more time or more water. Let's see. Ah, it broke. What a fail. Okay, so nope. If you do it too strong, I think you could break it. So I'm gonna try to do it as... no, it broke. This is such a fail. Like, look at this. Another one broke. Maybe my candles are bad. What am I doing wrong? Maybe the water is not as warm. Like, I don't understand what's going on. Okay guys, so as you can see, I left it in warm water for longer and they bent. Now I just have to see. Oh my god, I think I can actually do this. Oh my god, please don't break. Oh no, they're breaking, no, no, no. No, don't break. I think it's the candles. So this one bent because of the shape of this. So okay, that's the best thing that the best shape that I can get without breaking it. But yeah, this, I would recommend you to get the candles from Dollar Tree. They're not good for this. Just don't be cheap and just get the ones from Amazon or from Etsy, and then maybe they will look better than mine. Okay, so the last DIY was a complete fail, but I want to give this one a try. I know probably this one's gonna work because it's basically just painting a vase. I'm gonna for this one, all you're gonna need are vases, you're gonna need baking soda and paint. The last thing you will need is somewhere to put your paint to mix it in with the baking soda. I have used this one before. It's like a little ice cream cup, and some brushes. And I also wanted to use a sanding paper so that way I can sand a little bit the glass so the paint adheres better. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one that I got at the thrift store for 98 cents. Pretty much all the vases that I got are from the thrift store or from the dollar store. I got a few from the dollar store, so you guys, if you don't like going to thrift stores or you don't have any in your area and you have a Dollar Tree, you can go there and you can find pretty much all of these ones that I'm using. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is just pass a little bit of the sanding, so that way the paint adheres a little bit better. I want to paint is this one. I'm gonna finally use the terracotta, like this orangey color that I mixed in. I'm gonna use that one. I really like the shape of it, but I don't like the color plus the flower. I think it looks really old. Yeah, this is not coming up. Let's see if I sand it. Color tree. It's been working pretty good because I think for this type of projects it's better to use this type of brush. So let's see. Oh, this is gonna look so pretty. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I had fun doing all these DIYs, trying them out. I'm a little sad that the candles didn't work, and yeah, I'm gonna give it another try once I get more candles that are better quality. Maybe that's the problem. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.